Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we talk about one of the interesting topic, what is mean by isomorphic graph in discrete mathematics. Okay, so let us see definition. Let us consider any two simple graph G1 and G2 are isomorphic if there is a function f from one vertex set to another vertex set, which means a vertex set v1 to v2 such that it satisfies three conditions. One is f is one to one function. Second one, f is onto function. Once it satisfies these two conditions, then f is called bijunction function. Okay. Otherwise, it is not by. If you take any two vertices a and b in the vertex set v1 or adjacents in g1, if and only if f of a and f of b are adjacents in G2 for all a comma b belongs to capital G1. Okay, so once it satisfies these three conditions, then the given two graphs G1 and G2 are isomorphic graph. Otherwise, it is not isomorphic graph. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.